In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to configure system input and output in ABB Robot. System input and output must be configured so that you can automatically start by outside external controller. As you can see, if you don't configure it, it's empty. Okay, for the output, also empty. So the first step, let's assume you already configured general signals here under signal column. Let's assume you just configured enough general signals for your project. The next step, you have to configure these general signals link to the system input and output. So system input and output, such as you can see, action such as motor off, motor on, start, stop, start at main. This is very necessary for your project. So let's begin. So you click system input, you click add, you click the signal name, which is you define it in the general signal. You can choose, as you can see, you can choose DI0 action, you can choose motor on. Okay, you don't need to restart it until you finish all the configuration signal for system input and output, and you still continue to add motor off. Okay, you don't need to start. Action, choose stop. I just show you a demonstration. Okay, no, and let's configure system output. Still, you choose add, you choose signal name, as I configured two general output signals in signal column. You choose status, already motor on. Okay, don't start, you continue to add. You choose the action motor off or emergency stop. So after you configured all the steps, you can restart the teach pendant, the system. This is the first method for you to configure system input and output. The second method should be go like this. You back up your system, and once you back up your system, you open the backup file. For example, if this is your project backup file, you click on it, you choose system parameter file, you find EIOCFG, this file, and you open it in the notepad, and you will find EIO signal. You just define it in teach pendant, this signal. Okay, you can define it whatever profit bus, profit net, or device net belongs to the device, and you define it. The next step, you can add it here, under EIOCFG file, under notepad, signal action or status. Okay, this is two methods for you to configure input and configure system input and output. Okay, hopefully it's useful for you. See you next.